Attending AHR is always a highlight for me every year. Get to come down and go to wherever the event is, Atlanta, New York, Chicago, and it's a great time to catch up with old friends and customers and make new friends and customers at the same time. It's a highlight for me. Get to get a pulse on what the industry is doing and at the same time share all the exciting things that are going on at BAPI. One of the slogans at BAPI is changing the way you think about sensors, and the idea behind it is that we don't believe they're commodities, and using the key ingredients of customer-driven solutions, vendor-supported products, and then our engineering and the details that go into it, we hope helps change the way customers think about our sensors in general, and that they're not a commodity. And so the high-quality sensors we provide complement the control systems that building owners are putting in around the world. So we hope that the details that go into our sensors change the way people think about sensors as a whole.